This is the barbecue test with these tongs because when I go out and I'm actually needing to flip some sort of a burger or move chicken around, I don't want to get my knuckles too close. You'll actually see that my knuckles are all scraped up. That's not from the barbecue. That's actually due to me parachuting and I landed on the runway and I got all ripped up. I've got scrapes all over me. But I'm not here to talk about my parachuting exploits. No, we're here to talk about actually these tongs, which I actually typed in tongs. So when I said like 16-inch tongs on Amazon, it came up with some pretty strange stuff. And so these, I actually ended up getting a nice pair of these because the other pair was really sharp on the edge. And I have tender little fingers. I don't want to hurt myself. Now, when you first get your tongs, you first take it and you go, hey, that's nice. It's got a little locking mechanism like this so that you can put it in kind of like a little container on your countertop so that you're not like this trying to get it in there or like this and it splays open like that. Hey, that's nice. Ooh, it's got a little rubberized right there. Now, the moment of truth, if let's say, for example, that right there is a hot, steamy piece of chicken and I open up the grill and I reach in there, yeah, oh, that gives me plenty of room. Look at how much space there is between that and the flames. That's fantastic. Yes, I would definitely recommend getting something that is of the 17-inch length. Anything longer is just going to be really awkward to store. And then anything shorter, I would say gets you a little too close to the flames. So this is 17 inches right here. And if I was at 12 inches, that would be pretty tight. That would start to get the knuckles on the hair on my knuckles. And I would not recommend that. Unless, of course, you want to have bald little knuckles, then more power to you. That is good quality tongs. Okay, hope this helps.